Hi, I'm Lauren from SquareKicker. In this tutorial, we're looking at customizing the Squarespace navigation or menu. I'd like to show you some examples of menu that I have created with a few clicks, in the hope that it will give you some ideas for your next project. There are infinite possibilities you can play with. Let me first show you where you can find the tool. Once you're on your site, you can open the site-wide SquareKicker menu, and then you can find it under Site if you want those customization to be applied on every page of your site, or you can go under Page if you want to be more specific. So here's our first design that I've created. We've got a bit of a pill look with a hover effect. I quite like what I've got going on here. When you hover, it like that last corner rounds off. And you can also change the active page color. So if I click on a different page here, you can see how now it's looking red. It's quite a nice little touch. Our second look is quite different, more of a boxy minimal type. Again, we've got some hover color and a bit of a drop down look. And of course, a bit of a magnetic motion happening there. Next is more of a geometric look. So I've got some circles and here more of a box type and a cheeky section slider at the bottom. And last but not least, we've got this really classic look, you know, this pill navigation when you hover. It turns on like that, and I had a bit of fun with this drop down looking like it comes out of the banner. And I've also customized here the button to make it look like it's, you know, really nice and part of the brand. I hope these 4 designs have inspired you to create a completely custom menu for your next website build. With styling options for your banner, links and drop-downs, you can craft perfectly on-brand navigation for your Squarespace sites. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with SquareKicker.